Hey guys, welcome to Advancebay. Today I want to share and show you guys what we have accomplished and done. Working on 2011 Porsche Panamera. We have finally posted our parts that we pulled out of the car in our eBay store. Down below we have the link. Click at the link and you'll see quality picture, quality parts that you can purchase for your needs. Thank you. Hey, what's up, man? What's up? How you doing, man?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Did you know that cars have wings?
Wings?
Yeah, wings.
What are the wings?
Right here, man. You're missing out. This is the wing right here.
I was thinking, what is that?
That's a wing. It's actually a spoiler on the car. They call it sometimes a wing.
It reminds me of food.
A food?
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind of food?
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings. This is a Porsche wings. Porsche Panamera wing. Well, today, what we're gonna do, guess what?
What?
We're gonna try to pull this off the car and try to list it in our eBay store. By the way, do we have anything for sale yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have items online right now. You guys check down below. We have the link where you guys can see all the items that we pulled, taillights, bumper, door panels, everything that you guys see in other episodes. We have them listed online. Please check our store. And we're gonna start Nicodemus taking this wing out. Spoiler off the car.
It looks complicated.
It's complicated? I think so.
Oh.
So basically what we have here, this is some kind of plastic rubber piece right here, right?
Yeah.
And I think it's gonna be interesting to pull this off the car, and we're gonna learn because I never done it, like you never done it. But one thing what we need to do, we need to open up a trunk. You know why?
Why?
Because you locked it. You locked it.
How did I
So-
lock it?
Yeah, now we're gonna have to get inside the car and see if we can open again from the inside.
Always you gotta give me the hard job.
The hard job. Okay, now we have to put the battery back in. Battery or booster.
Yeah,
And-
I told
and
you
see-
we took it out.
Huh?
We took it out.
We took it out, of course. And I wasn't hoping that you're gonna close it.
Why? You course.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, let me bring the booster in, okay?
Yeah.
I mean, you have to do that. You're the one who closed the trunk. It's okay, I forgive you. I give you grace, okay? Okay, try it now. Oh, there you go. You got it, man. Now we have to take this charger off out of the car. Unplug the battery. I mean the cables. Okay, there you go. Okay, Nicodemus, so in order for us not to lock this trunk again, right?
Yeah.
We gotta remove this bracket right here. So once we remove this bracket, okay,
So
do you know which way?
why?
Of course.
Why is it that way?
Okay, Nicodemus, so what do we have here? Here we have, look at this. Here we have a button to open up a trunk,
Okay.
lights, and most likely, yeah, we're gonna have to pull this out, so we will try to sell it separately. But now, in order for us to get to the spoiler, we have to remove this, the panels, okay? Yeah, we don't need that. So we need to pull the panels out, and let's see how we can do it. You gotta look for the screws first, right? To see if there's any screws. I personally don't see anything.
I think you gotta take this off.
So, of course, we're gonna have to take that off. And let's try. Okay, let's see what we have here. Do we have anything here? Okay, I don't see it. We need a screwdriver.
What is?
Mm,
We're taking the light out.
Lights out. Sure, let's try it out. Okay, nothing inside. What about here like this?
Yep.
Well, looks like no, I don't see anything.
Is that not for the spoiler?
So, what about this? Nothing. What about this cover?
Does that come off?
Nothing. Okay, let's try this corner. See, we can pull anything. Nothing. Another complicated thing. Right here, Nicodemus. Most likely we're gonna have a little. Let me see the sharp thing. Let me see this. Okay, right inside of here. There you go. Okay, so we found one screw. We're pulling a wing off the trunk. Okay, little cover, right?
Yep.
Okay, so now we're gonna need tools for it. Keep going. All the way. Okay, good. Now on the other side. See? Nicodemus, he's 10 years old and he's working on a Porsche. That's cool. Okay, we'll see what else. Now let's try it and see if we can move this cover. Yeah,
I think I gotta take this off. You want to change it?
I think so. Yeah, we have to pull it off.
Like this? Not. What about take this? Try.
Could it be possible that we have the screws inside? Can you lower the trunk for me so I can see it?
I'm gonna fall.
Okay, you fall. Okay, that's nothing. Hold on. Okay, somehow we're gonna have to pull this clips out. I'm gonna put some force. Force always help.
There's something.
Nah, I don't think so. It's just a clip like this. Okay. And let's see.
I
Do we have
think-
anything
I
underneath
think
this?
that comes up. Yep.
Okay.
Anyway. Can I do that?
Of course.
I love screws.
What is our orange? What is it? I always have to lose that.
Every single
Every
episode.
time. So this is okay. Show us how we pull the plugs. Okay, you gotta press and pull.
Oh,
Throw that inside.
everything's
Now use the impact.
lower it.
So we're gonna have three. Okay. Two bolts needs to be removed. Okay. Let's see. Anything else holding?
I think, yeah,
I think that's about it. Now we're just gonna have to. I'm gonna use force again. Okay, Nicodemus.
your force.
Yeah, we're gonna have to use force. You see?
Your force to break.
There you go.
Some.
There you go. So you just pop it out like this.
Okay.
Then we have a plug for the light. We want to remove that. Does it want to be removed? Let's try it this way. So you have two pins like this. where you press, and hopefully it comes out easy, but it doesn't want to come out. Okay, there you go.
There you go.
We have the light, little light, and another plug for the light. We're gonna have to put everything together. Okay, you want to keep lights together.
Full set.
We'll set like this. Stop. What are you filming? There's nothing. I'm right here.
Okay. I thought you're.
I'm trying to show you.
I
Right?
was filming this, not your light. I was not filming the light.
Okay. What about the sides? Anything on the sides? There is something on the sides too. Nicodemus.
Yeah.
And let's see.
Force time.
Force again. Huh? Okay, so you have to pop it out. This part needs to come out first. There's two panels right here.
Yeah.
And so one side is out.
Side.
You want to try the other side?
Yeah.
Okay. But normally we would probably have to pull this first. This is the middle piece. The middle portion will come out first, and then you do the second side.
Force.
Force. Okay, keep going. And I will help you. No, I think we're good. Now we're gonna have two more screws on the side right here. Two more bolts. Go inside. No, use the impact.
This thing?
Yes. People waiting.
You know that.
You know that?
Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties? Okay. Okay, good. Now the other side. Okay, good. And now this panel just came out. And of course, Nicodemus, we want to keep all the stuff together, like lights, all the covers. We're gonna keep them together.
Okay.
So now this is, we open it up, more space, so we can actually see where the spoiler. So what we have here, we have a trunk latch. Okay, we're gonna trunk latch. This is what locks the trunk, and it's automatic. So we'll have that listed in our eBay store. Once again, link below. Okay, so what do we have? We have, okay, let me just do a quick overview. In order to pull this trunk, the panel off the trunk lid, first you need to pull the middle plastic, then the sides, and then the bigger sides, the bigger piece. Okay, let's see what we can do. So we have the bolts, right? We're gonna have to pull all the bolts out.
These.
Yeah.
A lot of them.
And I think if we can use impact, that'll be nice. Let's get that working for us, okay? Okay, I'm going. So we have bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bolts that will hold the spoiler, and we're pulling the spoiler out.
Let me lower it down.
Okay, you can lower it
I don't want to fall.
on the ground. Okay, if you loosen the bolt, okay, next, do the next one. Okay, so we have pulled all the bolts, and we'll see what might hold. Okay, so looks like one of the wire is going towards the spoiler. See it right here? So we're gonna have to unplug this cable. Okay, So let's use our tool, clip remover right there. Give me that tool. Okay, stick it inside from the side like this, and try to remove that clip. Okay, don't climb anywhere. It's okay. Go ahead. It has to go underneath the plastic. There you go.
Can I though?
Yes, you can. Just push it. Push it. Okay, now snap it.
No, I have to
Push it over there. Hold the camera. Okay, this is how you do it. Stick it inside the plastic. Okay, underneath the clip, and then you have to press on it. Now this tool will help us. Let's use the other one. There we go. Same thing on this. Okay, so now we have to unplug this wire for the trunk, for the spoiler. I think this is goes for the spoiler, goes towards the back. Okay, like this. 2 pins out. That's it. Okay. Okay. Now we have the spoiler, and we can lower it down. Let's see if we can remove it. You want to remove the spoiler?
Yeah, sure.
Will it come out or not?
No. I don't know, it won't.
You think so?
You try.
I'll try it.
See?
And we got the spoiler out.
How many times are you gonna say ba-bum?
Ba-bum.
Ba-boom.
Cool. This is the spoiler, guys. Well, what do we have to say?
You're in the camera.
What do we have to say at the end of our episode?
Thank
You guys for watching, right?
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell, ring the bell. So please share this video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys, I'll let Nicodemus hold the spoiler. Now,
And last word.
now Nicodemus, you can fly. Okay? Where is the spoiler gonna be located? What do you think?
On the evening.
On our eBay store, exactly. In our store. You guys can purchase the spoiler in our store. Please look at the link below. We have all the items that are listed from this car already on eBay. Please check our store. Welcome. You're welcome to purchase it. If you guys have any comments, what else you guys want to see on this car, let us know in our comments below. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for watching our episodes. I hope you guys enjoy this 10-year-old guy, little guy, working on a Porsche Panamera. Once again, please subscribe, share, thumbs up, and ring the bell so you won't miss next we can't hear you.
Episode. That was normal.
No, episode.
Episode.
Thank you.